Assalamu alaikum, welcome to tutorial number 3. In tutorial 2 we learned about p tag, title tag, b tag, italic tag, a small tag, strong tag, em tag, h2, h1 to hg tag, as well as anchor tag. And we also learned some attributes value for target anchor tag. So in this video we will know more than that. In this video we will know list tag. Li means list. If I type list 1, then copy it and paste it, list 2, copy it, paste it, list 3 and save it. Yes, I can see here are 3 lists. We will type here. So you can see there are 3 lists. By default they are unordered list. There are 2 types of list: unordered list and ordered list. Ordered list are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and unordered list are it will be depicted with bullet points. If I type in Google list type in HTML, you can see that what are the list type. Yes, there are unordered list or bullet list, ordered list or number list, definition list. If I click on it, and you can see there are unordered list and list apple, mango, banana, orange. Unordered list are by default list. Copy them and type ul and paste them, save it. You will not see a huge difference because by default the list items are unordered or bullet. And if we type order list, OL, you can see there are OL and mango, apple, banana, grapes, orange, etc. If I type here, type OL, yes, if I save it, and as you can see there are the order list 1, 2, 3. You can type their type name. You can declare the order list type. If I type and I type A and save it, you can see that it is depicting A, B, C and D. And instead of A, if I type I, it will be appear as a Roman numbers. You can see I. Yes. If I type A in capital letter, yes, you can see all the numbers are in capital. So there are also DL list, and it is not necessary to learn this because it is not widely used DL list. But if you know order list and unordered list and their types, you will able to design any kinds of website. So now let's know about buttons. You probably have already seen buttons in websites, but now let's know more about it. BUTT button. Here we type sign up, save it. If we check, yes, as you can see there is a button. It will not work, but if we cover it with a tag, here we can type hash and paste the button here. As you can see, the button is now working. Here you can see hand hash. If I copy the website name and if I paste it here and save it and click on it, you can see the button is working. We make it workable. Okay, now we will know nav tag. Nav tag HTML tag define a set of navigation links. Notice not all links are document type netlab. Okay, in summary I can say that nav tag declare navigation, and if I type neg and you will take eval li 1 2 3, you will not see a huge difference, but after making the full website you will able to see the difference. Now we will learn some heading and semantic tags. The default tag for block tag is div. We search what is div tag What is the div tag in HTML? Div tag is used as a container in HTML elements which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. Well, I basically have to say that div tags are container or section tags. Instead of div tag, you can use section tag. Well, div tags are widely used for containers, and there are some other semantic tags also, like section tags, which is declared section. Like if I open a website, like if I open the WTD website, well, in WTD website, this is a section. This is the header section. All of this is section. This is another section, and this is another, this is another, that is another, that is another, this is, these are another, 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 another. All of them are defined as a section. So this is the section tag, and there are some other tag, article tag. Article tags are widely used on newspaper website. If I open a newspaper website, the Daily Star, yes, if I open article, all of the paragraphs that are displayed here are wrapped with article section. This is the header of the article, and all of them are article section. Okay, now let's know about header. Header is a specific tag which is used to declare the navigation, learn to code, and the first interface, banner, is also included with the header tag. And another tag is called footer tag. You probably know what is the footer. Footer is this area. This area is called footer. So in header you can use navigation, in header you can use banner, in header you can use the menu. Navigation means also menu, you can use button, you can use logo, and in after learning CSS I will create a header. I will create the things that you have to learn. I will create a header and implement it to our website, and I will also create a footer. So stay tuned, and that is the end of today's tutorial. In the next tutorial we will learn more about HTML, and after 1 or 2 or 3 more tutorial we will move to the CSS, and after learning the CSS we will combine the CSS and HTML. We will learn how we can combine them. After combining them we will try to create a completely new website by ourselves, by our own self, and I will also recommend you to practice the tasks that I am giving you. The tasks are that you have to type some paragraphs using paragraph text. You can make your writing bold, you can make your writing italic, small, strong, emphasize them. You can use h1, h2, h3. You can use anchor tag. You can use another list and order list, and you can change the types, as well as you can use navigation, you can use section, article, header, footer. All the tag that I taught you, you have to write them, like what is p tag in HTML. Yes, you can see the paragraph element, the p tag elements represent a paragraph. You can read the article. By doing so you can enhance your ability. You can learn more what the tags are exactly using for what purpose. If you understand the purpose, you will able to implement it anywhere, and you don't need anyone help to do so, because you have Google. You also can use ChatGPT. You probably don't know, by using ChatGPT you can learn many things. Like if I type what is div tag in HTML, it is a generic container. Here is the basic of the what are the advanced tags of HTML, and how to use them. You will see the advanced tags of HTML, like nav tag, header tag, si tag. We didn't talk about si tag, but it represent content, has teenager related content or such a sidebar. It is like sidebar. If we open a website, which website has a sidebar? Probably Alibaba, AliExpress. Yes, AliExpress probably have a sidebar. This is the sidebar, and it is wrapped only this area. It is not widely used, but you can learn it, and you will able to learn many tags from here. So stay tuned, and please consider to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any new updated in my YouTube channel. So assalamu alaikum.